Welcome back to Crypto Talk. So I've had a couple questions here on what's going on, where are we? I just want to give a quick rundown on the 4-hour. I did bring this up in Discord. That the last time we had a green dot like this that was bullish in nature with a nice liquidity grab back up, we had a 16% move. So is it guaranteed? No, but I'm looking for at least a move of this nature. So from this point, I think this is going to continue higher. This could be a dead cat bounce rollover, but with the money flow the way it's looking on the 4-hour, I think we're going to have a move at least towards this local high, just under $70,000. And for the Moon Boys, if we did get a 16% move on Biddy, that would put us roughly, that's over the all-time high. That would put you somewhere in the neighborhood of 76,000. So, all right, let's zoom back into reality here. Let's figure things out. So we're within a range, right? So really range bound, grab liquidity. Locally, we grabbed liquidity at the daily VWAP. So we're range bound. I think we're going to stay here, unfortunately, relatively speaking, in this local range from 69.5 down to 65. Ping-ponging around till after the U.S. election. That's my personal opinion, but I'm liking the way the money flow is looking. The RSIs are pointing up. Relatively speaking, the volume is low. It usually means a bigger move is coming. Locally, we've also rejected from the 618 on the retrace, on the bounce. So we could be stuck here between, and also the point of control is coming in the same neck of the woods for the local. Roughly 67,725. So I still think this comes higher. So I think we're at the very least, we're going to get something like this where it's another bounce. So if that happens, and we got that guy, and we're probably somewhere in this neck of the woods. So somewhere like this. So at the very least, 2.5% move from right now. A 2.5% move from right now would put us somewhere in the neighborhood of 2.5% challenging the local high at 69, roughly 500. 2% is somewhere down around the weekly open, just over 69,000. So that's what I'm watching for. Not overcomplicate this. You zoom in here, you can see we're ping-ponging in this local range. I've even made a smaller range because you're always within a range, within a range, within a range. So if you jump out to the monthly, we're bullish. So I'm really looking to long a back test any pretty much dip at this point in time. We've also completed an inverse head and shoulders here on the 15-minute shoulder, head, shoulder. Nice back test of the neckline, and we went up. So if I missed it like everybody else did, had to work today, this was a nice liquidity grab here at the daily VWAP. So it's also the previous day high and the previous day open. Nice area of confluence. We are showing a local McDonald's, but we're not really dropping. So this could just ping pong here, or it could come back down to the daily VWAP. Either way, if we hold above basically 67,500, super bullish. Reclaim the 618 up here at 67, let's call it 900, even more bullish. So if you're going to wait for more confirmation, you could wait for another breakout, then a back test. That would be a good spot to long, and then look for a move higher. So that's about it, guys. Nothing I say is financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blockguard Discord, and if you need some private coaching, check out my Patreon channel. And I promise when my workload's not so much, I'll get into the Casper ecosystem, in terms of the meme coins that I've been playing around with. That's what I've been doing in my spare time, thanks to one of our insiders over here at Blockguard. Turned us on to that, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.